Well, here's the question of the hour. Did I really need another video camera? I don't know. Not really. I mean, I'm happy with this one, and my CyberShot serves as a backup if need be. But when I looked at today's advertisements in the Sunday paper, it said like pre-Black Friday sales, and digital cameras for $25. One was a 14 megapixel digital camera, and this one was a 12 megapixel digital video camera. So yeah. And yeah, it did say $40, but I did not pay $40. In fact, here's a receipt that proves otherwise. It says Emerson 12 megapixel HD vid, regular price $40, sale $25. So yeah, bought at the Dollar General store, which is close to my house. I mean, hell, I was going down that way anyhow. But yeah. I saw this, and, well, actually, I saw the ad. These are actually behind the registers, but you get the idea. So, if you're ready, let's unbox it and check it out. Alright, here we go. Gently take the thing off. Hello. And if you look, it comes with a 2 gig memory card. So yeah, I mean, I thought I would have had to get another memory card, but I was, yeah, okay. Of course, it even says it comes with a 2 gig memory card. But back to the plot at hand. Well, here's what it looks like. No viewfinder. It's a little light. That screen could be any smaller. And there's the thing. This must be for the recording. There's the AV out and the USB thing. And of course you also have display, LED, and mode. So, and the screen don't swivel like mine, so yeah. And as you can see, batteries not included. So yeah. Well, let's see what else came in the little package. Little baggie for the carrying case to carry the camera. CD-ROM. Do not return this to the store. Call customer service. Blah blah blah. And for the Spanish-speaking audience, instruction manual, which I will read later, and the cords necessary to use this. So yeah. All that set aside, I'm probably going to get me a new video camera, and well, here's the bottom thing. Customer support, Southern Telecom, made in China, Landerdura brand, manufactured by AIT Incorporated, Brooklyn, New York, 2011, all rights reserved, under license to Emerson. Well, Emerson and the G-Clef logo are registered trademarks of Emerson Radio Corporation in Parsippany, New Jersey. Not affiliated with YouTube, blah blah blah. Please recycle, and all that happy shit. So, yeah. So when I get everything set up, I'll probably do a camera test, and I'll let you know from first-hand experience how this is. Until then, I'm Esky. Thank you for watching.